Ever wondered how to make money with NFTs? To answer this question, we first need to understand what NFTs are. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that live on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, each NFT is distinct and cannot be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. Think of them as digital collectibles, with each one having its unique properties and value. NFTs have stormed various industries, transforming the way we perceive ownership and value. In the world of art, they allow artists to sell their work directly to consumers, bypassing traditional middlemen. Musicians use NFTs to monetize their songs and albums, while the real estate industry is exploring virtual properties sold as NFTs. But it's not just about buying and selling digital art or music. The scope of NFTs is much broader, offering a new world of possibilities. Now that we have a basic understanding of NFTs, let's delve into how you can make money with them. The key to making money with NFTs lies in understanding their value. So what exactly determines the value of an NFT? Well, there are a few key factors, namely rarity, utility, and demand. Let's break each of these down a little. Firstly, rarity. In the world of NFTs, just like in traditional art, the more rare an item is, the more value it holds. For example, an NFT that is one of a kind, known as a unique, is generally more valuable than an NFT that's part of a larger series or collection. Next, we have utility. This refers to the usefulness or purpose of an NFT beyond just being a digital asset. Some NFTs offer real-world benefits like access to exclusive content, events, or experiences. Others might have utility within a virtual world or game. The more utility an NFT has, the more value it can command. And lastly, demand. Like any market, the value of an NFT is heavily influenced by how much people want it. This is often driven by factors like who created the NFT, the community around it, or current trends in the wider NFT market. Now here's the tricky bit. Determining these factors isn't always straightforward. It requires research, and a lot of it. For rarity, you'll need to look into how many copies of an NFT exist, or if it's a unique. For utility, you'll need to understand what benefits the NFT offers, and how desirable these are. And for demand, you'll need to keep an eye on market trends, and what's popular in the community at the moment. But don't be daunted. Yes, it's a lot of work, but it's also what makes the NFT space so fascinating. Every NFT has a story, a purpose, and a community around it. And the more you understand these, the better positioned you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Remember, the world of NFTs is dynamic and ever-evolving. So stay curious, stay informed, and always be ready to learn something new. Understanding the value of NFTs is the first step towards making money with them. There are several ways you can make money with NFTs. Firstly, let's talk about buying and reselling, which is similar to trading stocks or real estate. You purchase an NFT at a certain price, hoping its value would increase over time. Once its value soars, you resell it for a profit. It's crucial, though, to carefully research and understand the market before delving into it. You'll need to keep an eye on trends, understand the artist's reputation, and be aware of the overall sentiment within the NFT community. The second method is creating and selling your own NFTs. If you're an artist or a content creator, this could be an exciting avenue for you. You can mint your digital artwork, music, or any other creative content into an NFT and sell it on various platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. The beauty of this is that you have full control over your work and can set your own prices. However, remember, the success of your NFT largely depends on your reputation, your work's uniqueness, and its perceived value in the market. Lastly, we have royalties. This is a fascinating aspect of NFTs. Every time an NFT is resold, the original creator earns a percentage of that sale. This is coded into the smart contract of the NFT, ensuring that creators continue to earn from their work even after it's sold. This passive income stream can be quite lucrative, especially if the NFT appreciates in value and changes hands frequently. Now, it's important to note that while these methods can be profitable, they also come with their own set of risks and challenges. The NFT market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate wildly. So it's essential to approach it with a clear strategy and a firm understanding of what you're getting into. These are the primary ways to make money with NFTs, but each requires a different approach and set of skills. Before you jump into the world of NFTs, it's essential to be aware of the risks and challenges. Let's unravel these one by one. Firstly, let's talk about the volatility of the NFT market. Similar to other digital assets, the value of NFTs can fluctuate wildly, and there are no guarantees. One day, an NFT could be worth thousands, and the next, it could be worth pennies. This market unpredictability can lead to significant financial losses if you're not careful. Next, we have the risk of fraud. Sadly, the digital world is rife with individuals looking to take advantage of others. Fake NFT listings and scam artists are a real concern. These fraudsters may sell forged NFTs or manipulate prices, leaving you high and dry. While platforms are taking measures to combat this issue, it's crucial to be vigilant and conduct your due diligence before making any purchases. Lastly, the challenge lies in understanding the complex technology behind NFTs. Blockchain technology, smart contracts, and digital wallets can be daunting concepts to grasp, especially for beginners. This complexity can lead to confusion and mistakes, which can be costly. But don't let these challenges deter you. Knowledge is power, and by understanding these risks, you can navigate the NFT landscape with more confidence. Here are a few tips to help you along. Always research before you invest. Understand the market trends and the value of the NFT you're interested in. Be cautious of too good to be true deals and always verify the authenticity of an NFT before purchasing. And finally, take the time to learn about the technology. There are numerous resources available online to help you understand the ins and outs of blockchain and NFTs. Being aware of these risks and challenges can help you make more informed decisions when dealing with NFTs. Many people have found success with NFTs, and their stories provide valuable lessons. Take the story of Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple. He's a digital artist who became an overnight sensation when he sold an NFT of his artwork for a staggering $69 million. The lesson here? Originality and creativity can pay off in a big way in the NFT world. Beeple's success also underscores the importance of reputation and building a strong following. Then there's the tale of Yuga Labs, the team behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club. They created 10,000 unique digital apes, each with its own traits and characteristics, which were snapped up quickly by eager buyers. The Bored Ape Yacht Club now boasts a vibrant community of owners who not only value their NFTs, but also the sense of belonging they get from being part of this exclusive club. The takeaway? Community building can add significant value to an NFT project. Let's not forget about CryptoPunks, one of the first NFT projects on the Ethereum blockchain. The creators, software developers Matt Hall and John Watkinson, initially gave away 10,000 pixelated characters for free. Today, these CryptoPunks are worth millions. The lesson? Timing and foresight can be everything. Hall and Watkinson were early adopters of the technology, and their willingness to experiment paid off handsomely. Finally, consider the success of NBA Top Shot, a platform that sells officially licensed NBA highlight clips as NFTs. Their success demonstrates the power of combining mainstream interests like sports with the NFT space. It's a reminder that NFTs can extend beyond digital art and into other areas of pop culture. These success stories show that with the right approach and mindset, it's possible to make money with NFTs. They also remind us that success in the NFT space often requires creativity, community building, foresight, and a willingness to experiment. Making money with NFTs can be exciting, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's an adventure that requires dedication, time, and a keen eye for art and value. The world of NFTs is vast and constantly evolving, making it a field that demands continuous learning and adaptation. Your best ally in this endeavor is thorough research. Understand the market trends, know the artists, and familiarize yourself with the platforms. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in a realm as volatile as NFTs. Patience, too, is a virtue. Don't rush into buying or selling. Take your time to study, observe, and then make informed decisions. Also, be prepared for the unexpected. The NFT market can be as unpredictable as it is rewarding, so build a safety net, be ready to take calculated risks, and always be open to learning from your experiences. With the right approach and mindset, you can turn NFTs into a profitable venture. Good luck on your NFT journey.